Your ski trip is booked, the gear is ready, but your phone videos are shaky, boring, and just bad. It's time for an upgrade. But in 2026, the biggest question is this: GoPro Hero 13 Black versus the Insta360 X4. I've tested both on the mountain. Here's the brutal truth. Let's start with the magician. The Insta360 X4. This is a 360 camera. It films everything around you, all at once. You don't even have to aim it. The magic is the invisible selfie stick. It looks like you have a personal drone pilot. After you ski, you open the app and become the director. You choose where the camera looks. It's perfect for beginners and for getting those impossible viral shots. Now, let's talk about the legend, the GoPro Hero 13 Black. This is the king of point of view. The video quality is crisp, realistic, and makes you feel the speed. It's not about creative angles. It's about pure, raw immersion. And its biggest advantage? Durability. This thing is a tank. Okay, let's put them head to head. Round 1. Durability in the snow. The GoPro is a solid block. It can take a beating. The Insta360 has 2 exposed, bulging lenses. If you crash hard, these are in danger. Winner for durability: GoPro. Round 2. Battery life in the freezing cold. Older cameras died in the cold, but the new GoPro Enduro battery is a beast. The Insta360 X4 battery is much improved, but the GoPro still lasts longer in freezing temps. Winner for battery: GoPro. Round 3. Creative freedom. This isn't even a contest. With the Insta360, you can reframe your shot to be a selfie, then back to the action in front of you. You can create videos that are simply impossible with a GoPro. Winner for creativity: Insta360. So, which one should you buy? It's simple. Ask yourself this question: do you want to look cool on Instagram and TikTok with drone-like shots? Get the Insta360 X4. Or do you want to capture the raw, intense feeling of the run, exactly as you saw it? Get the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Don't forget the accessories. For the Insta360, you need the invisible selfie stick. For the GoPro, the chesty mount is a must-have. We've linked to both cameras and our favorite accessories in the description below. Check them out. And for a full written breakdown, head over to our blog post. Now get out there and film something epic.